Welcome to part 16 of my video series on workshop techniques. This short video shows how I make boiler bushings that are used to connect piping to vessels. These bushings offer a small steam test plant that I'm currently working on. The video shows the general method I use. Specific measurements are altered depending on the project I'm working on. I started this project by designing the boiler bushes in Fusion 360. The bushes will be made from 360 brass. I usually use phosphor bronze bushes on boilers, however, these bushes will be soldered onto a feedwater tank and condenser oil trap. These vessels will operate at a lower temperature than a boiler, so the risk of dezintification is lower. The bushes will have 40 threads per inch tapped thread down the center of them. This clip shows me turning down a piece of hex brass bar to a diameter of 0.400 inches, which is the outer diameter of the boiler bushes. I took 20 thousandths cuts with the carbide tip tool. It cut through the brass with no problem. Next, I turned down the diameter of the brass bar to 0.346 inches for a length of 0.100 inches. This created the boss that will insert into the vessel. Once the vessels have been drilled, I will be soft soldering the bushes into position. I then checked the fit of the bush in the vessel by placing the bush into the hole in the vessel I had previously drilled. This clip shows me center drilling the brass and then drilling with a number 5 drill, which is tapping size for a 1/4 inch 40 threads per inch thread. I drilled around 1.5 inches into the brass so I could make the 3 bushes I wanted. Next, I tap the hole with a 1/4 40 threads per inch tap. The last job was to part off the bush 0.200 inches from the end, or 0.100 inches from the step I had machined. This clip shows me parting off the bush. Once parted off, I cleaned up the hole with a deburring tool, and the bush was finished. This speeded up video shows the steps I took to make the second and third bushes I wanted to make. The process was much the same as the first bush I made. This photo shows the 3 finished bushes. 2 of them are inserted in the holes for the level glass on the condenser oil trap. The last one is on the bench. I'll leave this video here as the boiler bushes are complete. So, that's making boiler bushes complete. I hope you can use the techniques shown in your model engineering projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.